work on just getting off these couple body pieces. We're going to clean all this up and try painting the frame, painting all the pieces, and then getting her all back together. So here we go. Yep, it's a 13, guys. Just so you know, the sizes jumped from 11, 12, and 13. It's not a lot of room in here, guys, just so you know. Oh, once you got the room, guys, it's super easy. There we go. And this body panel should come off. Okay, let's cut this. There we go. You know what? Let's take the battery off. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's take the battery out. Here's the headlights, guys. Looks like we're gonna need to replace them a little bit. Wow, this is pretty filthy in here. These two are welded together here. All right, you know what? I'm gonna paint this on site here. It looks like it's a lot more entailed than I think. All right, guys. This is the best part. The one we've all been waiting for. 40 years of dirt and grease and grime, and it's all coming off today. Here's a little tip for you if you ever do this. Let the caked on stuff soak for a minute before you hit it. That'll save yourself a whole lot of back and forth. To see all this grease, grime, dirt, etc. coming off, I can't wait for the next portion, which is painting. Alright guys, I know it's a lot of work and a lot of cleaning and prepping, but in the long run, it's going to turn out to be a beautiful machine. Alright guys, just like that, we're ready for paint. So we're going to be painting the frame and the rims coming up in the next video. And don't forget, if you've got a steering wheel for 210 sitting in your barn, drop me a comment. I'm in the market for one. Thanks for hanging in with me until the end. Most important, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. Till next time, see ya.